This food is super delicious, I must confess it. My kids call it 3-color soup, but I call it 4-color meal because the vegetable, the Ewedu is green, the Gbegiri, is yellow, and the stew happens to be, of course, maybe tomatoes is red, and the Amala. A lot of people say Amala is black. No, this Amala is brown, like deep brown. It is super delicious, and the Lagosians can confirm it. I love this food, and I'm so excited that I'm making it today. My kids are so excited. Like when I told them we were going to be having Amala, Gbegiri, Ewedu, they were like, okay, let's do it. A lot of people don't mind this food as breakfast, and it happened to be my best during pregnancy. Let's quickly dive into it. The combination of beans, vegetables, stew, and Amala. Let's go. Starting with the Gbegiri, the first thing is we measure 2 cups of beans, wash it, and peel it. A lot of people don't really peel the skin anymore, but personally, I love the skin peeled. So just wash it this way and peel off the skin. I feel comfortable with the beans when I parboil it, then remove the first water, replace it with another water, and put it back on the fire to boil. Adding cow to the beans and the crayfish makes the beans soft and delicious, giving it the traditional aroma. Then of course we have to blend the beans. You can see it is very, very soft, very soft. After blending the beans, put a little palm oil, then add the blended beans. Do not bleach the palm oil. Okay, just add seasoning and salt to taste. You see, Gbegiri is ready. You need to make sure that the Gbegiri is not watery and it is not too thick. Doesn't really take a long time. The Gbegiri is ready. For the stew, you want to have a fresh tomato stew with just your bell pepper, chili pepper, and onion. You don't really need the concentrated tomatoes in this stew. So I seasoned the beef with salt, beef seasoning, onion, and garlic. Then put it to boil. I added other beef called shaki and cow leg. This stew is beautiful when it is busy. We're going to add all this stock inside the stew. Meanwhile, please, we will need your support in subscribing if you have not subscribed, and we also want to use this opportunity to thank our returning subscribers. We want to thank you for watching our videos, for all the comments, the like. Thank you so much. We truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. So if you're watching us for the first time, you're welcome. Please do the needful, kindly subscribe to our channel. So to make the stew proper, add a little vegetable oil inside the pot, which is on the fire. When it is hot, you add the onion, the chopped onion, and the blended tomatoes. Of course, that has the bell pepper and others. Allow it to boil, or allow it to steam. For the fish lovers like me, don't worry, we've got you covered. Finally, you drop the stock inside the stew, and your stew is ready. Allow it to steam, and it is ready. Let's prepare a little fish sauce for fish lovers. Okay, you can actually combine your fish with the assorted beef stew and enjoy your Gbegiri, Ewedu. It makes me excited, like, I can't really wait to have this meal. So I'm preparing the fish now. I love it spicy. That's why I have a lot of dry chili pepper there. I love it spicy. It's just to parboil the fish and add the sauce, the tomato sauce, and put it to boil, or rather put it to steam, and that one is ready. For the ewedu is very easy, very easy. Put a little water inside the pot, allow it to steam, then add the blended ewedu. I also added seasoning. I did not add salt. I added Maggi cube, and I love the way it looks, very greenish. Yeah, the ewedu is ready too. The aroma in the house is so inviting. Moving over to the amala, which happens to be the last stage. Okay, you put sufficient water inside the pot. When the water is boiled, then you add your yam flour little by little. Amala is actually yam flour. It's made from the dried yam. So you continue to stir, and then maybe once in a while you add a little water to make it boil very well. I'm sure someone is hungry right now. Someone is hungry and can't wait to have this. While you're still stirring, you will notice a change in color. That is to tell you when your amala is ready. Okay. While in Nigeria, we only hang out in amala joint in Lagos, and when we got here, that was when I started buying Ewedu, and I started making it Gbegiri. Because my kids love it, we actually love it. It is time to combine it. That's the amala. Reminds me of White House then at Yaba, where we used to hang out to enjoy this delicious meal with my kids. Okay, and they're ready. And you'll be wondering, will they finish this food? Oh yes, they've actually finished the whole of this. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to bring to you more delicacy and entertainment. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye for now.